Fergusons still married because they live like siblings. The Fergusons have been married for over 15 years and are still going very strong. Their secret is that they live like brother and sister than husband and wife. Connie and Shona got married over 15 years ago. Their parents are both from Botswana and have been friends before their kids decided to get married. Connie and Shona were no strangers when they decided to tie the knot. They were together for 2 weeks when they decided to become husband and wife. Siblings do have a few arguments every now and then, but the arguments don't last long, and that's how the Fergusons live. They never go to bed mad at each other. If they have a fallout during the day, they always make sure it's dealt with before calling it a night. A love like the Fergusons is a once-in-a-lifetime kind of love, and that's why they treasure it this much. The Botswanian couple are our very own Romeo and Juliet.